Good morning all. Today we are going to do exercise 7.4. First question is, which of the following pairs are like decimals? Like decimals are those which have same number of digits after the decimal. Now in first number it is 0.5, after decimal only one digit is there, but in second number after decimal two digits are there. So these both are not like. If not like, we will say them unlike. In same way, we will check all the pairs. If same number of digits are there after the decimal, then the numbers will be like pair, otherwise it will be unlike pair. Now here in second B part, there are two digits after decimal in both the numbers, so it is a like pair of decimals. In same way in C part also it is a like pair. In D part, in first number after decimal there is only one digit, but in second number after decimal there are two digits, so these both are unlike. In same way E part is like unlike and F part is like. This part you can do on book only in same way. Now in second part we have to change the following unlike decimals into like decimals. For this we know that we can add any number of zeros at end of the decimal number. So for changing into like decimals, we will just put a 0 to make that the digits after decimals same. As in A part, numbers are 4.5 and 3.97. In first number after digit after decimal, one digit is written, and in second number after decimal two digits are written. For making them like pair, we have to make number of digits after decimal equal. So in first number we will add a 0 at last of 5 and other number will be 3.97. Now in both numbers after decimal two digits are written, so these both are now like. In same way we can do other parts also. So these will be our answer of exercise 7.4. With this our exercise is completed. We have to do first part on book and second part on notebook in this same way.